Hello there. In this video we'd like to inform that the new online calculator has been launched on our website, and it's allow calculating the specification for filling an optical patch panel. To open the online calculator, we go to the Service section, Online Calculator, and find the necessary menu item. Pay attention that it is the online calculator for an optical patch panel. A more detailed calculation is available in the software version. We will consider this option later. Now we select the fiber type, single mode or multi-mode. The number of fibers from 8 to 48, 36 and 48 are available for LC only. And select the type of connector. In this case, the only LC simplex is available. If we select 12 fibers, then SC simplex becomes available as well. And we immediately see the information for the order. 1 empty patch panel. 1 cassette for 12 fibers. 3 pieces of 4 ports empty adapter panels. We don't need a blank adapter in this case. There are 12 simplex adapters, pigtails and patch cords, which can also be changed. If we choose a duplex adapter, we have 12 pigtails, and there are 2 times fewer adapters. If you increase the number of fibers, the program will automatically recalculate the data. The number of cassettes is 4, 48 pigtails, 24 adapters, and 24 optical patch cords. APC polished variant available for single mode only. The table is changed accordingly. Everything is easy and simple. If you need a more detailed version, you can install the software calculator. There are more fibers available, and a larger selection of adapters. For example, ST simplex, FC simplex, SC duplex and others. The software version is available for free. Additional information about the patch panel technical characteristics can be found on our website. Here are all the technical details, drawings and the information for ordering. We want to draw your attention that Visio shapes are available for this product, and they are also available for free. For this, go to Download section, Visio Stencils. In Visio, you can make such drawings, visualizations. You can fill the frame in accordance with the requirements. Such visualizations are very helpful in the project discussions. We hope that the information was useful to you. Thank you for your attention.